You know those annoying things called hiccups? Here's what causes them and why doctors are still baffled by them. When you get the hiccups, it's because your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, suddenly contracts. This quick spasm makes you suck in air, and your vocal cords snap shut, making that familiar hic sound. But why does it happen? Well, scientists aren't 100% sure, but they think it might be a glitch in our breathing system from our evolutionary past, kind of like a leftover reflex. Most of the time, hiccups are harmless and go away on their own. But if they last longer than 48 hours, doctors say they could signal something more serious. So, next time you hiccup, just remember, it's your diaphragm throwing a tiny tantrum.